In this chapter, we will learn how to do division. So first sum is 16 divided by 4. Here we have to say our 4 times table up to 16. When we reach 16, we have to stop. So let's start. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. So we stop. 4 times 4 is 16. So we write 4 on the top. Minus 16, so 16 minus 16 is 0. Same way in the second one. 30 divided by 5. We will say our 5 times table up to 30. We will stop at 30. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. So 5 times 6 is 30. So we write 6 on the top. Minus 30, 30 minus 30 is 0. So we write 0. Now the next one is 10 divided by 2. So we say our 2 times table up to 10 and we stop at 10. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10. So 2 times 5 is 10. So we write 5 on the top. Minus 10, 0 at the bottom because 10 minus 10 is 0. Next one, 15 divided by 3. So we say a 3 times table up to 15. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15. So 3 times 5 is 15, we write 5 on the top, minus 15 because then 15 minus 15 is a 0. 7 times table up to 21 we will say. 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21. So 7 times 3 is 21. Same with the next one. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24. So we write 4 on the top, minus 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. Now let's do few sums with remainders. See, we have to divide 11 by 2. So we will say our table of 2 up to 11. We should not cross 11. So let's start. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. We stop at 10 because 2 times 6 will be 12. That will be more than 11. So that won't be possible. So we stop at 2 times 5 is 10. We write 5 on the top. We write minus 10 at the bottom. Now 11 minus 10 is 1. So 5 is the answer. 1 is the remainder. Same with the next sum. 10 divided by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12 will be more than 10. So we do 3 times 3 is 9. So we write 3 on the top, minus 9 at the bottom, and 10 minus 9 is 1 here. So again, we have 3 as the answer, 1 as the remainder. Let's do one more. This one is 15 divided by 4. So we say our 4 times table again. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 will be more, so we don't have to take 16. 4 times 3 is 12. So we write 4 times 3, 3 on the top, minus 12. Now 15 minus 12 is 3. So we write 3 as the remainder here. 3 is the answer, 3 is the remainder here. Same with the next one. We will say our 5 times table. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 6 is 30. 30 will be more, so we don't have to take 30. So we will write 5 times 5 is 25. So we write 29 minus 25. We subtract and we get 4 as the remainder here. Same way the next sum. 23 divided by 3. We say our 3 times table here. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 8 is 24. So we cannot take 24 because 24 will be more than 23. So we write 3 times 7 is 21. Now 23 minus 21 is 2. So the remainder is 2 here. Same way, let's do the last sum. 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 3 is 30. We write 3 on the top minus 30. Now 32 minus 30 is 2. 2 is the remainder for this one.